And just like that, we're back to half square triangles, and this block is all half square triangles. It's called Flying Dutchman, and again, it's 12 inches. I'm trying to stay with the 12-inch because I think that's easier if you're going to put it in a sampler quilt. Maybe in the next month or so, I will do a whole month of maybe 9-inch blocks and 8-inch blocks, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Here's the diagram, and we have actually 4 squares in here, and the rest are half square triangles. You can use the alternative triangle method of 8 at a time. There's 8 of these brown and white ones, and you can use 8 at a time if you want. Here are the patches, so we're going to cut squares and then cut those in half and then a square. Here are the 2 units we're going to do. And here's what a quilt would look like if you put these block to block. And I think I've rotated some of these, and you have a nice little pattern in the middle. And on the second page, you'll have a coloring chart. I've cut all my pieces out. And for the AccuQuilt, if you have an AccuQuilt, you'll need the 12-inch cube or the 6-inch cube for this one. These are 3-inch finished units, so that's going to be the 6-inch cube. And so I've cut these all by hand. So here are my triangles and here are my squares. Now I'm just going to stitch the half square triangles together.